So I just profiled the indeterminate parts here against this guy by height, and obviously this conical one stops sooner. The hole for this will be higher up, and this guy that came out of here, put you down. The one that came out of there stops at, wow, kind of in between the two heights, which is interesting. If I had to pick one, I'd say it's more the one I'm currently using, but I'm concerned because this would stop it from hitting too hard and possibly even getting broken in the same way. Whereas if you had the rod stopping too soon, you would miss the dog teeth. So I'll take the problem I've mounted over the problem that I would otherwise have, and I will continue to treat this guy as the B revision and see what else that entails and means in the building materials. Moral of the story here is keep your VIN tag when you cut off your bell housing, so you are the next guy, not to mention for compliance. I mean, if somebody pulls you over and examines, your car, in some states where they start checking VINs on doors and things, that would suck. So, yeah, and your bill of sale to go with that VIN. Anyway, fun stuff.